Okay, good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are well. Today, I am going just to help you guys get to know how to solve different quadratic equations in a simple ways. Just follow me. I will help you guys and get to know how to find x. Follow me till the end. Okay, here I have quadratic equation. The quadratic equation has this form: ax squared plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are constants. Okay, it means that we need to find those values. Okay, actually here we have solve x squared minus x minus 29, which is equal to 1. The question B is x squared plus 5x plus 6, which is equal to 0. And the last question is 6x squared plus 5x minus 4, which is equal to 0. I am going to help you guys get to know how to use another formula which is different from the discriminant formula, which is commonly known by so many students. So guys, those people who are not well understand how to solve this type of questions using the discriminant formula, I am going to help you guys get to use this new formula, which will help you guys get to find the final solution easily. So follow me for more. So here we have x squared minus x minus 29, which is equal to 1. Firstly, what you need to remember is we need to rewrite this equation in this form. It means that we need to write x squared minus x minus 29. This one must be equal to 0. It means that we will bring this one into this side so that it is going to change its sign. If it is positive, it is going to change its sign into negative. So here we will write minus 1, which is equal to 0. We need to correct like terms like x squared minus x minus z minus 929 minus 1 is going to be minus 30, which is equal to 0. So follow me. So many students know this formula discriminant, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac, where they might use this formula where to get the value of x. We say that x1 and x2, they will be solved using this formula: minus b plus or minus square root plus or minus square root of the discriminant over 2 times a. But in this video, I'm going to help you guys get to know how to solve this type of equation without using this formula or even factorization. So here what we need to do is this. Here we have a which is equal to 1, b which is equal to negative 1, and c which is equal to minus 30. So here we will write, here we have 1, here 1, 1, minus 1, and here minus 30. We are going to take minus 1, this one, divided by 2. 2 is in the formula. Divided by 2 plus any symbol that you want, like we can add key. And here we need to write negative 1 over 2, the same. If here we write positive, we need to write here negative. I hope you are seeing this, what I am doing. So what is next is we need to take this, multiply by this, and then we will equalize them with this number times this number. So it means that we are going to write minus 1 over 2 plus k times minus 1 over 2 minus k, which is equal to 1 times minus 30, which is going to be equal to, remember this formula, a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b times a minus b. It means that here I am going to multiply like terms. Like here I am going to write minus 1 over 2 times minus 1 over 2, which is going to be 1 over 4, because minus times minus is going to be positive, and positive 1, and 2 times 2 is going to be 4. Plus times negative is going to be negative, and then k times k is going to be k square, which is equal to 1 times minus 30, which is going to be minus 30. So here we are going to write to correct like terms. Like here I am going to write 1 over 4, and this minus is going, we need to relocate this in this side, and it is going to be positive 30, which is equal to, if this minus k square was negative, if it changes its direction, its side, it is going to be positive k square. So here we are going to put these numbers into the common denominator. So here we need to divide them by this number by 1 and this by 1. So the common denominator is going to be 4. So we need to write 4 in both sides. So 4 divided by 4 is going to be 1. 1 times 1 is going to be 1. Okay, here we have positive. Need to write it here. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 4 divided by 1 is going to be 4. 4 times 30 is going to be 120. So we are here. 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. 4 times k square is going to be 4k square. So we need to cancel or simplify 4 by 4. And what is remaining is 1 plus 120, which is equal to 4k square. So 4k square is going to be 121. What is about k square? K square is going to be 121 divided by 4. K is going to be the root of 121 divided by 4, which is going to be k is going to be the square root of 121 is equal to 11 divided by the square root of 4, which is equal to 12. So if we get the value of k, we are going to replace k in these factors. So we are going to get the final answer very easily. So if we take minus 1 over 2 plus k, which is equal to 11 over 12, and here we have negative 1 over 2 minus the value of k, which is equal to 11 over 2, we are going to get here, if they are on the common denominator is equal to 2, here it is going to be 10, and here it is going to be minus 12 over 2. So here, if we divide each number by 2, we are going to get 5 and minus 6. So if we get here, what is remaining is this. If here I have a positive sign, I need to change it into negative. So if here I have a negative sign, I'm going to change it into positive. And then we need to divide each answer by the number which is here. And see here we have 1. So it is minus 5 over 1 and 6 over 1, which is going to be minus 5 and 6. This is the value of this question. So x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 6. So as I have already corrected this type of equation, so I want you guys to try this type of equation because it looks similar. So I am going to do the question which is quite different from this one. Yeah, because here we had 1, but here we have 6, which is different from the first questions. So I am going to correct this type of question and we'll see if we get the same answer. So follow me. So here, what to remember, step 1, Step 1 is to take the middle number, which is equal to 5, and we need to divide this number by 2. And then we add k. What is next is take also this number 5 over 2, this one divided by 2. If here we add a positive, we need here to add a negative. So these are the factors that I want to multiply them with this number. So here the next is take 5 over 2 plus k, this one, times this factor 5 over 2 minus k, which is equal to the first number 6 times the last number minus 4. So remember the formula, it is the same. We need to take this number, multiply it with this number, which is going to be 25 divided by 4 plus times negative, it is going to be negative k square. K square. So here we need to get 6 times minus 4, it is going to be negative 24. And remember, we need to correct like terms. So here we need to take negative, we need to say that 25 over 4, this one, and we need to add it to this number. If this number, it has negative, if it is going to be on this side, it is going to change its sign, it is going to be positive 24, which will be equal to this k square. It has a negative. It means that we are going to change this negative into a positive, which is equal to k square, which is a positive. So what is next is to write the common denominator, which is going to be 4, because here we have over 1 and here we have over 1. So if we write the common denominator, which is equal to 4 divided by 4, it is going to be 1. 1 times 25, it is going to be 25, plus 4 divided by 1, it is going to be 4. 4 times 24, it is going to be 96. So we are here, 4 divided by 1, it is going to be 4. 4 times k squared, it is going to be 4k squared. We need to simplify and cancel the common denominator. So we remain with 121, which is equal to 4k squared. What is about k squared? If we divide each side by 4, we are going to get this one, we are going to get 1, and we say that k squared is going to be 121 over 4. So in order to get k, we need to write the square root of 121 divided by 4, which means that the square root of 121 is going to be 11 divided by 4. So what divided by 2? Because the square root of 4, it is going to be 2. So what is next is come to our factors. Here we have 5 over 2 plus k, and replace that k with that value, and like the same like here. So we need to write 5 over 2 plus k, which is equal to 11 over 2, and 5 over 2 minus k, which is equal to 11 over 2. Here we need to write the common denominator, which is equal to 2. 5 plus 11 is going to be 16. And here minus here, we remain with 6. 6 divided by 2. So here we will get 8, and here we will get negative 3. What is next is, if here we have a positive, we need to change the signs. Here we have a positive, it is going to be negative, and here if we have a negative, it is going to be a positive. What is remaining is to divide this answer by the first constant, which is equal to 6. So 8 divided by 6, and 3 divided by 6, minus 8 divided by 6. If we divide each number by 2, we are going to get minus 4 over 3 And here, 3 divided by 6, it is going to be a half. So this is the answer. Guys, x1 must be equal to minus 4 over 3, and x2, it is going to be a half, which are the answers. So guys, feel free to do this type of equation. So if you get the answer, let me know in the comment section below. So I'll be more than happy, guys, to help you get to know how to use other formulas. So if you have any question, feel free to comment in this comment section and tell me which topic you want me to help you guys get to know very easily. So subscribe to this channel, share it to your friends, hit the like button, and God bless you all. Blessings over blessings.